Before 2026 arrives, the world you know will not exist the same way again. You think you have time, but time is already leaving you behind. If you don't wake up now, someone else will live the life that was meant to be yours. This video isn't motivation. It's a warning. AI is replacing skills faster than schools can teach them. Attention is the new currency, and most of you are broke. While you're scrolling reels, someone's coding the future. The system won't wait for you. It never did. If you don't adapt, you'll become invisible. Not poor, invisible. They've designed distractions better than your dreams. Your dopamine is the product. You think you're free, but you're owned by your habits. Every swipe, every scroll, every one more minute. 2026 won't reward the busy. It will reward the focused. You still think discipline is boring? Try regret. Regret is the most expensive luxury, and most people pay with their entire life. While you joke about grind culture, someone else is turning it into generational wealth. Here's the truth no one will tell you. Success in 2026 won't belong to the smartest. It'll belong to the most adaptable. People who can learn fast, unlearn faster, move before the world even realizes what happened. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to move when everyone else hesitates. Before 2026, build one thing no one can take from you. Skill, discipline, or a brand that speaks even when you don't. Because when the next collapse comes, followers vanish, trends die, algorithms reset, only builders survive. You'll lose people along the way. You'll be misunderstood. You'll doubt yourself. But every sleepless night, every lonely grind, every ignored text, it's all building the version of you the world will meet soon. When 2026 comes and everyone asks how you did it, you'll just smile, because they'll never understand the nights you bled for it. You have less than a year to rewrite your story. Everything you do from now until then decides which side you stand on. The forgotten or the remembered. The question is, which will you be? 2026 doesn't need more dreamers. It needs more builders. So start now, in silence, in discipline, in shadow. Because one day your name will echo in the halls of those who laughed first. If this hit you, watch my next video. The truth about discipline, and understand the mindset that creates unshakable men. Your future deserves that one click.